welcome back to P.s. by HannahMarie, a plain and simple place to talk all things clean beauty and lifestyle. If you're new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you'll never miss a video. Today I'm just drinking some of my, wow, this is really noisy. I apologize. I have my big mason jar with some raspberry leaf tea and lemon, stevia, and then there was some ice cubes. I kind of make my own iced tea and drink it throughout the day. Anyways, today we are doing an unboxing of the August Petit Vour box. I'm really enjoying this subscription box lately. I did an unboxing of the July box last month, and normally on my Instagram I do like an initial unboxing, but I also kind of like to have them on my YouTube channel so people can kind of go back and look and see what the past boxes have been. If you do not know what Petit Vour is, or you haven't heard of their subscription box or their website, I have a video all about their subscription box and store. I'll leave in the cards up here, and I'll leave a link in the description box below, and you can go watch that and learn more as well, because they have so many amazing brands, and they're all cruelty-free, vegan, and clean beauty. They also have like ethical and vegan fashion accessories, purses, and stuff like that. So super cool, and they have an amazing reward system. So let's get started with the unboxing. So I received this box a week ago or so, and I've been really enjoying the products that are in it. I had a good amount of time to kind of test them out as well. So let's start out with the first item. This is Formulary 55. This is the Sea Clay Body Mask, Detoxify and Tone. And I have not tried this yet, but I'm looking forward to. I can't really tell what it smells like, but super, super simple ingredients, which I love. It has Dead Sea mineral clay, matcha powder, activated charcoal, and a proprietary blend of essential oils. It's designed for an all-over detoxifying body treatment mask, especially effective on the neck, back, and décolletage. It's designed to tone, treat, and tighten, help remove impurities, pollutants, and excess oils without stripping the skin. So I do really, I'm really looking forward to trying this, because I do struggle with like back acne, especially with all the detoxing that I do. So looking forward to trying this. Okay, next up is the Saint Tropica Hot Oil Hair Mask, virgin coconut oil, and it has biotin and hair superfoods for stronger, thicker, lustrous hair. So I have actually, this one I have not used yet, but I have actually tried this hair mask before. It was in one of my very first Petit Vour boxes, like almost 2 years ago, maybe 2 years ago. And so I do remember liking it, so I'm excited to try it again. And so, yeah. Next product is a waterproof brow define pencil. And I've really been enjoying this as well. I don't normally fill in my brows, and I had been wanting to get a brow pencil just to have for like quick on the go, or if I wanted to like fill them in a little bit. And yeah, I think I've had brow pencil like a long time ago. I didn't like it. I didn't like the way it looked. It looked fakey. I like a more natural look. And this I was excited to receive in the box, because it's a very fine little pencil tip, and I got the shade, what shade did I get? I got the shade medium. And that's the nice thing about the Petit Vour as well. Before, or like when you sign up you have like your little portal or account, and you're able to kind of fill out this little like questionnaire. And so the boxes are a little bit more tailored to your needs, or you know, if you like more bold colors or like more classic and stuff like that. So it's really, really cool. Okay, so this is the color. I really like how it applies. It's super easy. It's not like too creamy or too waxy, and it stays really well. And then on the other end of the pencil is a little spoolie brush so you can brush out your brows. So I am really enjoying this as well. And in every Petit Vour box, there is a full-size product. So there's 4 products, and one of them is a full-size product. This is the full-size product in the box, and I believe it's a value of $25. So right here, you're getting above and beyond the value of the box, and you're getting 3 other products. Okay, lastly is this Audacité Pure Elements Black Mint Cleanser with charcoal and Razul? Is that how you say it? Razul? Razul. We're going with that. I don't know what that is. I have been loving this cleanser. Like, I definitely will most likely be getting the full size. So what I really, really appreciate about this gel cleanser is it's not, like, it's detoxifying, but it's not like stripping the skin of its natural oils. Like, it's very hydrating. My skin doesn't feel like tight after, and also it suds up and foams up really, really well, and I love that. Cause there's something about when cleansers, like, I know this is more probably just me, but when cleansers don't like suds up or foam up, it's like, is it really working? And you know that it is, but I just love when it gets all foamy and sudsy. Same with like when I wash my hair, like I want it to get like lathered, you know? So really enjoying this, and I still got a little bit left, but I've been using it like 2 times a day. So yeah, so if you're interested in signing up for the subscription box, they do have different plans. I'll leave the link in the description box below, and you can get all the information and details on the plans and more about the box there. And I'll also leave the link to my personal video kind of explaining more about how Petit Vour subscription box works, and a little bit more about the online shop in general and the points and all that. So I hope you enjoyed watching this August Petit Vour subscription box unboxing. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!